वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Let us chant this Shabda, Patitavat. Patitavat like Dhimat. The Shabda Manjari, you can refer to the Dhimat Shabda. Dhimat. Dhimat is Akaranta, which is derived from the Pratipadikam. Dhi plus Matup. Matup is a Tadita Pratyaya. Matup is a Tadita Pratyaya, and this is Tavatu Pratyaya. Pat Dhatu plus Tavatu. You can see the Pratyaya as the meaning. Matup has the meaning Asya Asti, Asmin Asti. Iti, that which as, that in which it is. It means it is endowed with, that is the meaning, Matup. Dhi is the Shabda, the Pratipadikam. From a Pratipadikam, another Pratipadikam is derived by adding the Pratyaya, Matup Pratyaya. Matup is Tadita Pratyaya. So that is the use of Tadita Pratyaya. Tadita Pratyayas are used to derive a Pratipadikam from a Pratipadikam. Dhimat. Dhimat is one example. Buddhimat. Dhi is Buddhi. So Dhimat, the one who has Dhi, Buddhi, is called Dhimat. The one who has called Dhana, wealth, is called Dhanavat, Vatu Pratyaya. Dhi, Dhana, between these two Pratipadikam, what is the difference? Dhi ending with Ikara, Dhana ending with Akara, Dhana, Bala. So if it is Akaranta Pratipadika, then you add the Vatup Pratyaya. It is Matup only. The Ma becomes Va. Both have the same meaning, same Pratyaya in fact. If it is Akaranta Shabda, then the Pratyaya is Vatup. If it is other than Akaranta, the Pratyaya is Matup. So dhana, bala, guna, all these things will become gunavat, dhanavat, balavat, takaranta shabda. So therefore dhanavat, dhimat, dhanavat, dhimat. Dhana akaranta, therefore vat. The other than akaranta, ikaranta, therefore dhimat, matu pratyaya. Now you can decline like dhimat shabda, dhiman. Only in Pratama Vibhakti, you see Dhiman. If you know Shatranta, the same way. Shatranta, what we saw, Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, Pachantam, Pachantau, Pachataha. In Sarvanamasthana, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Numagama comes. Therefore, in these Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Pare, in these places, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 and 2, 2, you will see Numagama. For Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, what happens is the Numagama comes and its Upada becomes Dirga. Like Dhimat, Dhimat Numagama will come after Dhimat, Mat is there, Ma after Makara, Dhimand. Then Upada to Nakara, it is Ma become Ma, so Dhiman. And this Dhimant, you get Dhimant plus Sakara. We know that Sakara goes away, Ekal Pratyaya. One-lettered pratyaya following a consonant will go away. That is a rule. Like you can remember, one-lettered pratyaya. That is what happened in Marut and all the halanta shabda. Many halanta shabdas we have seen before. The su pratyaya, one pratyaya, su, which is whose content is only sakara. One-lettered pratyaya following a hal. So in halanta you will find sakara becoming lopaha. So that sakara goes away. So you have now the mand, you have, now it is a padam. Now it is a padam and the padam ending with a conjunct consonant. Therefore, the last letter of the conjunct consonant is also dropped. So you get dhiman, you get patitavan, you get dhanavan, you get balavan, you get gunavan. Only in one. What about in other pratyaya, other sarvanama pratyaya? There is no dirghatvam to the upada of the nakara. So, dhimat will get numagama. Dhimant plus au, dhimantau. Same thing here. Patitavat, patitavant, numagama. Plus au, patitavantau. Similarly, patitavant plus just is as patitavantaha. Patitavant plus pratyaya. Patitavantam. Patitavant plus out, patitavantau. And now 2, 3, shas. It is not sarvanamasthana pratyaya. Therefore, patitavat plus as, patitavataha. No numahama. Then after that it is simple. Patitavata. Just adding. And 3, 2 we know. Patitavadhyam. Is 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 7, 3. There the Pratipadikam also as a Sanya Padam. So Padanta Vidhi, the Pada Vidhi, the Antima letter of the Padam, whatever changes happen, that you can apply. What change will happen? First is Jasva Vidhi will happen. You have to see whether Jasvam happens. Or if it is Hakara ending, that is what the homework I gave, Vakhdatu. Whatever changes happen, Vakhdatu, Padanta are followed by a Jal. Padanta are followed by a Jal. Whatever changes happen, that you apply. Patitavadhyam, Patitavate, Patitavadhyam. It is simple. And in Sambodhana, what happens? Dirgatvam to Upada Nakara will not happen. That you have to note. that upada to nakara becoming dirgha is negated. It doesn't happen. Patitavan only. Edhiman. So if you remember this, so you know you can easily decline. Now you see there's a similarity between Dhimat and Patitavat with regard to the pratyaya, in terms of pratyaya. Can you tell me what is the similarity? I told the pratyas. What pratyas are added? All these are only some clues. So it is, for if you remember, you can remember the shabda easily. What is the common thing between these two pratyas? One is tadita pratyaya, matup. Other one is tavatu pratyaya. What is the common thing?
Ending in ukara.
Takara.
Takara. Okay.
Ending in ukara. Numagama.
It is ukara. Numagama comes. It is because of ugit. That is okay. But atu is the common thing. Atu, matup, matup. The content is mat. But makara alone, you just remove it and see what is that. Atu. Similarly, tavatu also, the last letter with the ith letter. Okay, with the ith letter I'm saying. U is ith letter. So atu. So if atu ending is that, you follow atu. Understand atu? Why what I am saying atu is it is atu. That is when you say matup. Matup is the pratyaya. Akara is ith letter. And the tu is it is nasalized. Right? So remove pakara. What you have is tu. And this also ending with atu. I'm saying it is ending with atu. Makara plus atu. Similarly, tavatu pratyaya if you take tavatu. This is kakara is with letter, therefore the then atu. Right? The atu is the ending. So that is the similarity. That is how these pratyas are looked upon. Atu ending is there, therefore when the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam 1-1 follows this atu, what will happen to atu? This atu, whose content is at, will get numagama. So it will become an. That is what all the way it happens. It is dhimat, it is dhimatu. Okay. What will happen? It will get numagama. Then saranamasana. But here follows dhimant. If it is patitavat, which is atu, what will happen when saranamasana pratyaya follows? You get patitavant. In case of pratama vibhakti ekavachanam, upada to nakara will become dirgha. In case of pratama vibhakti ekavachanam, only in 1-1. Remember, only in 1-1. So you can remember it is easy. Becomes dhiman. Then sakara, this is ekal pratyaya, goes away. Now we have dhiman. Now this is a padam. Padanta, what is their conjunct consonant? Sanyoga. Sanyoga is that halonanta sanyoga. That conjunct consonant last letter is dropped. The dhiman. Similarly, patita also. Patita vant plus so is pratama vibhakti ekavachana pratyaya ekal pratyaya. So patitavant. Become patitavant. And sakara being ekal pratyaya, that is dropped because it follows the pratipadikam which ends with consonant. So you get tavan. From 1 to onwards, it is easy, just join. Okay. So the similarity is Atu. Similarly, another one you can see. Like there's one more pratyaya. Many are the Davatu pratyaya. Davatu pratyaya. Whose content also? Takara is itilit. Okay. Whose content also? Davatu becomes Davatu. And Davatu is again ending with Atu. This is also Atu. You can see this is used in pratyaya. This pratyaya, Davatu. That's Ba Dhatu. Ba Dhatu you get, will become, that is Ba plus Bhavat will become Bhavat. It will become Bhavat. So Bhavat is Takaranta Shabda. How it becomes, don't worry about that. Just it is Unadi. Davatu. So how this Ba plus Bhavat become Bhavat, don't worry, that is the Unadi. It happens. So you get Bhavat. Bhavat is now what? Takaranta. From this only we get Bhavan, Bhavanto. The meaning is Bhavan. The meaning is Bhavat plus Su, because it is Apo ending. Therefore what happens? Apo ending is, it gets Numagma, that is because Ugit. I think Ugit, you know. So it gets Numagma. And because it is Atu, therefore Upada Dirghatam happens. Bhavant plus Sakara. Takara is also Ekal Pratyaya, goes away, you get Bhavan. And Bhavan, the Takara is last letter to the conjunct consonant, goes away, you get Bhavan. From this only you get Bhavan. From Bha Dhatu, Bha Deep Tau. Bha is Deep Tau. From that you get Bhavan. Bhavan, Bhavantau. It is Bhavantau, not Bhavanto. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantah, Bhavantam, Bhavantau, Bhavatah, Bhavata, Bhavadvyam, Bhavadbihi, Bhavate, Bhavadvyam, Bhavadvyaha. Now if you take Shabda Manjari, many Takaranta Shabda, you know it. You can just remembering some few rules. You will see many Takaranta Shabda, you know. You can see, I will show you Shabda Manjari after that. Then what happens in Shatru? Shatru is, remember that. The difference between Shatru and Vartu must be clear. Now I'll just write Shatru. Shatru is, it is not Atu. It is Tru. It is Vikaranta. Content is At. Content is same as the content here. Atu content is At. Avatu content, I mean, not content is means the last content of Atu of the content is Mat is a content. That Atu is a whose content is At. Here also Avatu whose content is At. Davatu whose content is At. Here Shatru content is At, but there is a difference between Shatru and the Davatu, Datuk, and Kavatu. Because this is Vikaranta. It is not Atu, it is Atru. Therefore, Upada Dirghatam doesn't happen. Patat Pradipadikam, you have Patat plus Su. What you get? You don't get Patan. Remember. You get Numagama because Tru is Ugit. Ugit Anta Pradipadikam followed by Sarnamasthana Pratyaya gets Numagama. We have seen that in the Shatranta. Elaborately we have seen. So that you have to remember. So Patat will get how? Numagama Patan. Patan plus Su. So is again Ekal Pratyaya. So that goes away. So you get patant is a padam ending with the content consonant. Therefore, you get patan. Here you have to see why upada dirghatvam. Upada of nakara doesn't become dirgha because this is not atu, this is atu. This is atu, rikara. That's the difference. That is why there is a difference in the pratyaya. There is a difference in the it letter. It letter of the pratyaya. It letter makes these changes. It letter is very important. It's a beautiful concept. It letter is a beautiful concept by which the pratyayas, even though the content is same, by the difference in the it letter, different rules, different operations are accomplished. Okay, therefore it's important. Understand this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, yes.
So Shatru is R, Atu only. Davatu also Atu only. That's a difference. Similar like Tavatu. So this doubt, if at all, if it comes, it should have come to you. Why then Upada Dirghatam doesn't happen for this Patat Shabda? Doesn't happen because it is not Atu. Upada Dirghatam happens only for Atu, only for one. Now if you see Shabda Manjari, many Shabdas where you see this Upada Dirghatam to Nakara. Upada Dirghatam to Nakara. This Halanta Pullinga Prakaranam. Now you can try to memorize, try to remember the Shabdas easily without any effort. You know one Shabda and you know this rule, then you know it. Marut Shabda, base is Marut Shabda, important Shabda. You know Marut. Many Shabdas you know. Pachat, Chatranta, Pachanta, Kankaro, Pachanta. You know it, you have seen this. Divat, Diamanto, Diaman is only different. Why it is given separately in Shabda Manjari? Because of this only. Samadhati, Ekvachanam, Dirghatvam is there. You can see the examples. Evam, Buddhimat, then Dhanavat becomes Kritavat. Kritavat is what? Tavatu Pratyaya. Kritavat. So he is giving Tavatu also. Bhagavat, Bhagavan. Now you see Bhagavat, Bhaga. Bhaga is what? The sixfold power, Aishwarya. Aishwaryasya Samagrasya, Veeryasya, Yashashriyaha. Jnana Vairagyoschaiva Shannam Bhaga Itirana. Bhaga, the sixfold power, Shakti, the one who has, one who is endowed with. In that sense, this Vatu Pratyaya is added. Buddhimat, the one who has Buddhi. Dhanavat, the one who has Dhanam. Kritavat is not that in that sense because it is Vatu is there. It is not Vatu really, it is Tavat. You have to see Tavat. It is Tavat Pratyaya, Kridanta Pratyaya this is. Dhanavat is Vatu Pratyaya, Tatita Pratyaya, there Vatu. Here Tavat you have to see. That you have to see because Krita there is no meaning. Kru plus Tavat. You have to see Kritavat as Krit Pratyaya, but Tavat as Krit Pratyaya in Kritavat. Bhagavat, Vatu Pratyaya. Yavat also declinable. Yavat, Tavat as indeclinable meaning is there. As long as, so long, that is the meaning. Yavat, Tavat. Indeclinable also is there. And it is declinable also. Yavat also, when it is declinable in all the genders. Yavat, Tavat as Avyaya, it is there. And as declinable, it is there. So therefore, Yavan, Yavanto, Yavantaha. Yavantam, Yavanto, Yavataha. Tavan, Tavanto, Tavantaha. Tavantam, Tavanto, Tavantaha. Etavat, Etavan, Etavanto, Etavantaha. Etavantam. So like that, you can decline the Shabdas. Kiyat is what? Kiyat means how many. That is declinable. Kiyat is equal to Kati. Kati is indeclinable. Kati is indeclinable. Avyayam. Kiyat is declinable. Same meaning. Whereas Kiyat is declinable. Kiyan, Kiyanto, Kiyantaha. Kiyantam, kiyantau, kiyataha. Kiyan is how much? Kiyan, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. It qualifies, it is declinable, therefore, in the sentence, whatever that qualifies, accordingly, it will take the Vibhakti and the Vachanam, and it declinable all the genders. Kiyati, Srilinga. So, Iyat also. Iyan, Iyantau, Iyantaha. Similarly, Magavat Shabda. Magavat is Indra. Magavan, Magavantau, Magavantaha. So decline, but Magavat is different. Actually, Magavat is Magavan Nakaranta Shabda. By Bagulatvam of the Ashta, the Sutram is the Bagulatvam. By that, Magavan Nakaranta Shabda, the Nakara is replaced by Tr. Okay, this if you can remember, it is good. Otherwise, also it's not a problem. This is only one Shabda. Magavat. Magavan is a Shabda. Remember, Magavan, Nakaranta Shabda. Nakaranta, what happens? The Nakara is replaced by Tr. The Antima letter Nakara is replaced by Tr. Therefore, it becomes Magavatru. Magavatru is now Rikaranta. That is Magavan. Magavan, this what happens to Magavan is it becomes Magavatru. Magavatru is now Tr. It is Rikaranta. Therefore, you get Magavatru. Magavatru is that now you decline like Magavatru like Yamat. Even though it is Tr. Tr is like Shatru. But here, in this case of Magavatru is Ukit, because Tr is there. But there is a difference between this Shatranta declension and for Magavatru. What is this? Here, Shatranta generally Upada Dirghotam doesn't happen for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachan, but Magavatru it will happen. It will happen that there is no rule to it, because the word Magavan, it is there in the, it is in usage, it is there in the many places in the Shastram. Shastram means not in the Veda. It is used by the Shishta Purusha. Magavan they use. Therefore, Panini Magari says that Magavat also can be declined like Dhimat. That much you know, that is enough. Even though it is Tru only, the Takara means Tru. Like Shatru, but not Shatru, it is the Tru which comes at the end. It's similar to Shatru, but unlike Shatru, this will get Upada Dirghatvan to Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. That is the difference. That is how Magavat is. Okay, there is no explanation why it is. Explanation means it is Bagula, Bagulatvam. That's the concept. Another concept is that Bagulam. Bagulam means sometimes it will follow the rule, sometimes it may not follow the rule, sometimes the rules may be followed optionally, sometimes something will happen. That is called Bagulam. Anything can happen. Because those words, we don't have any rules for it. Seeing the usage of the words by the Shishta Purusha, such words are also accommodated by the Shastram, Ashtadhyayi. That is why this is Magavat. So Magavat, now, Magavan is, Shabda is there, that is Nakaranta. Magavat is there, that is Nakaranta, decline like Dhimat. Magavat has got two forms. In Nakaranta, it is declined Rajan Shabda. And Magat is another important Shabda. This also you can see here, all the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Upada Dirghatvam. Upada, what it means? Upada Dirghatvam means Upada to Nakara. Dirghatvam we see. Mahan. Mahanto, not Mahanto. Mahan, Mahanto, Mahanta. Mahantam, Mahanto, up to this. Magata. This is Upada Dirghatvam happens when the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. This is specific for Magat Shabda. Specifically, the rule is that there is Magat Shabda The Upada Dirghatvam happens when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. The rule is. So therefore only this Shabda Manjari separately it is given. Later when we study the sutras, then that you will see why it is given separately. Then you will understand. But anyway, that now I am saying in a simplified way. This is, this Magat Shabda specific rule is there. Only for Magat. Only for Magat we have got this rule. Upada Dirghatvam happens when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. So this is what Takaranta is. If you remember Takaranta, then this Takaranta Shabda is done. Alanta Prakaranam, in Alanta Prakaranam, Takaranta Shabda is done. Only these four you need to remember. One is this Marut. Marut is very simple. Number one. Marut, there are no rules. It is a very simplest Shabda. You know how to derive it, in fact. Marut, number one. Number two, Achat, which is a Shatranta, Kritanta, Shabda, we know. Because of it, it gets Numagma, that's all. No Dirghatvam, nothing here. Then Dhiyamat, it is Matu Pratyaya. Upada Dirghatvam happens for one. Only that much you need to know. And Magat is the specific Shabda where Upada Dirghatvam, Upada to Nakara Dirghatvam happens for what happens when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. These four Shabda, you know, four forms, all the Takara thing is done. Right? Understand this? Shabda Manjari, this Takaranta Shabdas are finished. Can you follow me this?
Yes, Shanji.
Yes, Shanji.
If any Takaranta it comes, you just see whether it fits into these four. It cannot fit into Magat because Magat is very specific. Either it has to be Dhimat, you have to see whether it is Matu or Tavatu. This you have to see. Then, if it is Pradanta, you have to see, then it is like Kachita. Marut is straightforward, Marut. So this is Takaranta. Now, coming back to this Bhakshitatu, which I gave as homework. I will do first Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya and one for the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Bhakshitatu plus Tavatu. I'm just writing the content. Tavatu. Right. Tavatu itself. Yeah. Work plus Tavatu, that is work plus the content is Tavat. Remember it is a Kit Pratyaya. When a Kit Pratyaya follows the Vakh Dhatu, Vakh will undergo Samprasaranam. Vakh will undergo Samprasaranam. Remember. Some dhatus, Vakh Dhatu, Vach Dhatu, Yad Dhatu, then Swat Dhatu, then Yaj Dhatu, all these dhatus, etc. These dhatus, already we have seen in many places. These dhatus, when a Kit Pratyaya follows, some more dhatus are there, Ijadina, etc. Where you will have the N letter will be there, Vakara, and Yakara must be there. And these dhatus, you remember these dhatus now, it's enough. When other dhatus come, we can add. Already we have seen like that before. So when these dhatus follow, these dhatus are followed by Kit Pratyaya, then Samprasaranam is Vakara will be replaced by what? Ukara.
Ukara.
Vakara is replaced by Ukara. What is here? What is the letter here?
What?
Akara is also there.
Akara, don't forget that. This is general. We don't see replaced by Ukara, we just replace. The Akara is there. You need to see that. Akara plus akara plus then hakara is there. Then Bhavatu. So akara only, N letter only is replaced by ukara. Remember. Samprasaranam is. Then what you have? Bhavatu. Is it clear? This step. So vak plus Bhavatu. Then va is makara plus akara, but don't forget that. Then samprasaranam happens. Samprasaranam, that is, makara is replaced by ukara. Ukara is there. Now, what is this ukara is? What is Sanya ukara as? Ukara gets.
Samprasar Nukara.
It's not simple ukara, it is samprasarana ukara. Yeah. You remember samprasaranam I told before? I think we have seen samprasaranam, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shanji.
I told somebody samprasaranam and when does it happen? In other cases we have seen. Samprasaranam is the reversal of N sandhi. The operation is called samprasaranam. The process. Replacement of N by ik is called samprasaranam. And also the replaced ik is also called samprasaranam. Remember, this ukara is not an ordinary ukara. It is the status of being a samprasarana ukara. Because it is a samprasarana ukara followed by a, what sandhi you will apply? We have seen.
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Very good. Samprasaranat. Then samprasaranam is followed by ach. This sandhi, remember I told you we have to add in the sandhi chart. I mean, I've not added it. They have put in the on drive link. Remember, when samprasaranam is followed by ach. Samprasarana ukara is followed by ach. When purva parayogastane, purvaha. Samprasaranam, that adesha will come. Therefore, u plus a will become u only. U plus a will become u. Therefore, uk plus you have Savatri. Right. Up to this is it clear, Ganesh?
Yes, Shanji.
So you have uk plus Savatri. Now you can see this sandhi chart and see what will be that. Hakara followed by.
Hodaha.
Very good.
Koda.
That is Hakara
Hakara is replaced by Dakara.
are followed by Jal as a root.
Jal will. Yeah.
Now here it is not a Padanta Hakara, it is followed by Jal. This is what we saw in the Ashtadhyayi class. So those who are attending, they know you can connect with that. Recently we saw. So what will happen? Hakara will be replaced by Dakara. But when you see, when you apply this rule, you have to see is there any exception, and but there is no exception here. So don't worry about that. So just replace that, you get it. Exception is, what are the exceptions? Okay. Hakara is replaced by Dakara. There are exceptions there. The dhatu beginning with Dakara,
Dakara.
what will happen? The dhatu beginning with Dakara,
Gakara.
Gakara.
Dakara, Gatvam will happen.
Gatva.
That's called Gatvam. You can see in the Sandhi chart. All of you have the Sandhi chart. So you see that. Gatvam will happen. Here it is. It is Hakara at the end of the Padam, followed by Jal, replaced by Dakara. This is number one. And further you have to see Hakara of the Dakara dhatu. Dhatu beginning with Dakara. Then when it is at the end of the Padam, or followed by Jal, it will be replaced by Dakara. This is called Gatvam. Then we have one more. It is optional form for these dhatus. Druk, Muk, Shnuk, and Shnik at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal. Then it will be replaced by Dakara optionally. Therefore, we have two forms. We have seen all those things. So these three rules you need to remember: 28, 29, 30. Now 28 will apply. Dattvam will apply. Okay. So applying Dattvam, Dakara replaced by Dakara. Now Dakara in contact, Dakara in contact with Dakara. Preceding contact. So what will happen with this Dakara?
Dhadvam.
Sorry?
Dhadvam, Sharanji. Just letter. Dakara is just.
But
Shtutvam.
Krishanji, what rule will apply?
Jashas tator doha. So
Yashastatoho Daha.
daha.
Dhapano.
That is what happens.
That's rule 8.
I forgot, maybe in yesterday class. I mean, I think I told this. I mean, we applied this rule also. The sociology that you asked me, remember the same question? What happens? Sushila.
Yes, Ji.
But don't forget to apply Dattvam. Okay. The Dattvam apply. After that only, Shtutta Vidhi to be applied. Okay, that's the process. Anyway, I mean, in case if I have missed to tell that, I don't know whether I missed it. I'm just telling you because you asked the last class at the end of the class.
Yes.
You see
told
the
me.
rules in sequence. This is 8 to. See, I don't want you to what do you call know the sutra number. Just making you see the sutra number 8 to 31, then 8 to 32, 33, 34. Just follow like that. Then what is the next immediate rules which are applicable that you have to see? You see 8 to 40. Takara, Takara following the Jash Anta Dhatu. That is important. Jash. What is Jash? Jagnain Gadadash. Fourth letter of all the classes. Dhatu ending with that. Followed by Takara or Takara. Then it will be replaced by Dhakara. This is another Dhattvam. Okay. So you have to apply this. If you don't apply, you can directly apply Shtutvam. It will work, but you should not. You have to follow the sequence. So Takara will be replaced by now Dhakara. You have to apply. Apply Dattva Vidhi. Sometimes we don't see that. We don't see and then apply. We have to do the same mistake. Then we come back and correct it. Then now you can see Dakara in contact with the Dakara, preceding contact. What will happen to this Dakara? Now you can apply Shtutta Vidhi. So Dakara being a 2, Kavarga letter will be replaced by Dakara. Right? Now Dakara followed by Dakara.
Slopaha. First Dakara.
First Dakara.
Not any Dakara, first Dakara only becomes Lopaha.
Lopaha.
It becomes Lopaha, the preceding An.
Will become Dirga.
What is
Praswa.
An is?
I-E-U.
That's all. Only the 3 letters.
Shorter.
Short An. 2 Ans are possible, but one that longer An in case of we have only in one particular sutra the rule is misused. In all other places only short An. So Ukara becomes Dirgha. So now what you have? Udavat. That is a form. Get Udavat. Now you got Ganesh.
Yes, Sharanji.
Udavat. Okay.
I got it, sir.
Now Udavat plus Su. Udavan. Arudavan. Yoga Rudaha. Gita it comes. Yoga Rudaha. Arudavan. Arudavantau. Anyway, Udavan, Udavantau, Udavantaha. Udavantam, Udavantau, Udavataha. Right? You can decline now. Can you decline now? It's easy. Udavat plus, let me do for Bhyam. Bhyam is 3-2 or 4-2 or 5-2, whatever. Udavat plus Bhyam. What will happen now? Udavat
Justus will be 1, then applied justus will be 2.
Udavad. Because Udavat is Padam. Remember?
Yeah.
It has the status of being a Pratipadikam, enjoys the Pratipadikam status as well as Padam, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is like the person living in relationship, neither married nor is a bachelor. I mean, not that. It's a bachelor as well as his family holder also. Both are there. Like that. He's neither married, therefore he's not a grihastha. Right? But he plays the role of a grihastha also. At the same time, he is singular also. I mean, bachelor. Two sanyas he enjoys. Similarly, here also. Udavat, what will happen? You can apply the Pratipadika rules also. That is why you are adding the pratyaya. If it is a padam, then you cannot add the pratyaya. Can you add the pratyaya if it is a padam? No. You cannot add. Only to the Pratipadikam only pratyaya comes. Then only becomes subanta, namapadam, right? Suttingantam padam. So you are adding the pratyaya. Therefore, this is not only a padam, this is a pratipadikam also, because it has a pratipadika status, therefore bhyam is added. And it has the padasanya, therefore padanta vidhi, just vidhi and all padavidhi. You can apply that. So applying that, just vidhi number 1, udavat plus bhyam, just vidhi number 1. Remember, after that, this is just jal letter. Jal followed by, now you have to see, you have to look upon this dakara which is becoming dakara as a jal letter. In fact, it is jal only. Jal become jash. But it is now the same jash letter should be looked upon as jal, followed by jash. Then what will happen again? Jashtavidhi will apply. So what about Jashtavidhi? You do it, you get Udavadhyam. So Udavadhyam, Udavadbihi, Udavate, Udavadhyam, Udavadbhyaha. Udavataha, Udavadhyam, Udavadbhyaha, Udavataha, Udavatoho, Udavatam, Udavati, Udavatoho, Udavatsu. Right? Then He Udavan, Sambodhana. He Udavanto, He Udavantaha. Is it clear? Energy, can you decline this now? Simple.
Yes, sir.
You want this file? If you want, I can send you this. Okay, this is done. Now, come back to the lesson. Remember what is sakarmaka, akarmaka? This is one of the important. Phala, Vyadikarana, Vyapara, Vakshakatvam. What is that?
Sakarmaka.
Sakarmakatvam. Phala, Samanadikarana, Vyapara, Vakshakatvam.
Akarmaka.
Akarmaka dhatu can have what all the prayogas possible?
Akarmaka,
Kartari and
Bhava.
What about Sakarmaka?
All the three.
All the three. Fine. Now, Strilinga. Now, Strilinga, what happens? Remember this. If it is a Rikaranta Shabda or Nakaranta Shabda, you can convert that into Strilinga by adding the pratyaya, E pratyaya, Ni pratyaya. We have seen that, right? Chatranta, Chatranta we have seen. Like Patati, Patanti and all we have seen. How do you get by adding the pratyaya, E pratyaya? Can you recall that pratyaya, E, Ni pratyaya? Rikaranta, Nakaranta Shabda can be converted to Strilinga by adding the pratyaya. The pratyaya, Pratipadikam you have. Pratipadikam should be converted to a Strilinga. That is why Strilinga Prakaranam is the separately Strilinga Prakaranam. So, Rikaranta is Shatranta. That is one Rikaranta. Nakaranta, all the Nakaranta Shabda. Even if you take Rajan Shabda, Rajan is Rajan Shabda. it can be converted to Srilinga by adding E pratyaya. Becomes Ragi, it happens. Nakara goes away, that is not Nakara goes away, something happens. Akara goes away, Ragi you get. That we'll see later. Kartra Shabda, Kartri it becomes. Okay. Then, okay. The Srilinga Shabda now here we will see. Here Srilinga, what happens? Same. Becomes, you add the pratyaya E, becomes Gatavati, Krutavati, Udavati, becomes E, Ikaranta Shabda, like Nadi Shabda you can decline. So we will see Srilinga. So Rama, Pujam Krutavati. So Krutavati is equal to Krutavati because here Rama is there. The Karta, Rama is Srilinga, therefore Krutavati. If it is Ramaha, it becomes Krutavan. So Krutavati is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Krutavati is a Pratipadikam, Krutavati, Krutavatyo, Krutavatya, like Nadi Shabda, Krutavati, right? Krutavati, you get Krudatu plus Tavatu. Okay, what does it mean? Krutavati means equivalent lung form will be Akarot or Akarot or
Akarut.
in Atmanepadi it will be Akuruta. Right? Rama Akuruta or Rama Akarot. So it's a lung form. Okay, that is that we know. Ta Tavatu is called Nishta, which is used in Bhute Karmani. Sorry, Ta is in Karmani and Tavatu is in Kartari. So here it is Kartari Prayoga. Kartravachyam. That is a Kartravachyam. So Karta is in Vibhakti. Plus Kartravachyam. Rama Pujam Krutavati. Aham Krutavati. When you say Aham must be a Srilinga. Aham Krutavan, when you say Aham must be a Pullinga. A male doing an action. So Aham Pujam Krutavati. Here Aham is referring to Rama. Tvam Puja Krutavati. You referring to Rama. Pujam Krutavati. Rame Pujam, two Ramas. Pujam Krutavatyau. You can see Krutavatyau. Rame Krutavati Krutavatyau. Ramaha Krutavatyaha. Pujam. Avam Pujam Krutavatyau. Because Avam referring to Rame. Vayam Pujam Krutavatyaha. Vayam referring to Ramaha. Therefore Pujam Krutavatyaha. Yuvam Pujam Krutavatyau. You too, that is Rame. Yuyam Pujam Krutavatyaha. Yuyam Ramaha. Pujam Krutavatyaha. Now Krutavati, Nadi Shabdavat can be declined. We'll chant the Shabda. Ikaranta Strilingaha Krutavati Shabda.
Ikarantah.
Karantah
Strilingaha.
Krutavati
Krutavati Shabda.
Krutavati Krutavatyau Krutavatyaha.
Krutavati, Krutavatyo, Krutavatyaha,
Krutavatim Krutavatyaau Krutavatihi.
Krutavatim. Krutavatyau.
Krutavatihi,
Krutavatya Krutavatibhyam Krutavatibihi.
Krutavatya, Krutavatibhyam,
Krutavatibyam
Krutavatibihi,
Tibihi. Krutavatyai Krutavatibhyam Krutavatibhyaha.
Krutavatyai,
Krutavatibyam.
Krutavatibyah,
Krutavatyaha Krutavatibhyam Krutavatibhyaha.
Krutavatyam.
Krutavatibyah,
Krutavatyaha Krutavatyoho Krutavatinam.
Krutavatyah,
Krutavatyyoho.
Krutavatinam,
Krutavatyam Krutavatyo Krutavatishu.
कृतवत्यां कृतवत्योः कृतवतीषु
हे कृतवती, हे कृतवत्यौ, हे कृतवत्यः,
हे
हे कृतवती
हे
हे
कृतवत्यौ
कृतवत्यौ हे
हे
कृतवत्यः
कृतवत्यः
कृतवत्यः.
is my audio clear?
Yes.
yes ji
Yes, sir.
There is a typo, Sharanji.
Sharanji, Saptami Dvivachanam. Yeah.
कृतवत्यौ
Kritavatyoh.
Oh, yes. कृतवत्योः. Now, Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga, what happens? Napumsakalinga, do you remember Shatranta? Shatranta, you need to remember very clearly. Napumsakalinga, 1, 4, 6, 10, and Fathargana, what will happen? We have seen very elaborately. But you have to keep on seeing that, otherwise it will go away from your head. Niketa Shatranta, Pullinga, we have seen 1, 4, 1, 4, 6, 10. It will get Numahama.
Mhm.
When Sarvanamasana Pratyaya follows. Then for other, no Numahama. Then for Srilinga, 1, 4, 10. Numahama will come in the Pratipadikam itself. For the sixth Gana, it is optional. Therefore, two forms are there. Right? Then, what about Napumsakalinga? Napumsakalinga, we have seen Sarvanamasana is 1, 3 and 2, 3. So, you will have Numagama there. But in addition to that, 1 to 2 to also will have Numagama. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Pachat, pachanti, pachanti. So where it will come, that 4 places Numagama. 1, 2, 1, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3. So all these things you need to remember. For sixth case, for sixth Gana, it is optional. We have seen. Optional for 1, 2 and 2, 2. And for Samandhatus of the second Gana and the third Gana, we have seen that optionality is there for when Sarvanamasana Pratyaya follows. Therefore, dadati, dadanti or dadati. Two forms are there when Sarvanamasana Pratyaya follows. So all these things you need to remember, okay? So that will be useful here. That whatever you have learned, that will be useful. Here, because here this is also patitavat, takaranta shabda. So takaranta shabda, how do you decline that? Patitavat, then no Numagama business here. Okay. Don't worry about Numagama. Patitavat, patitavati, Numagama will come only when Sarvanamasana Pratyaya follows. Because Vigit, that will come. I mean, Numagama will not come in 1, 2 and 2, 2. That is different. Whereas in Shatranta, it will come. Here it doesn't come. Patitavat, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Patitavati, Dvitiya, the Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Patitavanti, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. This is like Jagat Shabda. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. You can take Jagat Shabda as the Shabda for this. Napumsakalinga Shabda. Takanantaha Napumsakalinga Jagat Shabda. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Tritiya onwards same as Pullinga Shabda. So you can take Jagat Shabda as the sample Shabda, master Shabda for declining Napumsakalinga forms. Here it is. You can see Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Only when Sarvanamasana Pratyaya follows, Numagama comes. Because Ugit, which is Ugit, but Tavatu Pratyaya is Ugit. So Jagat, therefore Jagat Shabda. From Tritiya onwards, same as Maruti. So here you can see Bhasvat. Bhasvat is Vatu Pratyaya. So Bhasvat, Bhasvati, Bhasvanti. Gatavat, Ga, Tavatu Pratyaya. This is what we are interested now. Gatavat, Gatavati, Gatavanti. Gatavat, Gatavati, Gatavanti. And Tanvat, what is Tanvat? What is Tanvat or Sunvat? What are they? Anybody? What is that? What is Tanvat, Sunvat? Anyone? Yes. Yes. Please say something.
Vatu pratyaya.
What Pratyaya?
Vatu.
Vatu Pratyaya. No. Krishnanji, what is that?
Don't know.
No idea. Very good. No problem. Okay. Anybody? Yeah. Any, Vasanti?
Comparison.
Huh?
Comparison. What?
Comparison.
Taraptaran.
Taraptama is Taram.
Tarapan.
There is no Tara, there is no Tama. How can it be comparison? Tan Dhatu, Tanu, Tanoti, Tanutaha, Tanbanti. Which Gana is that?
Fifth Gana.
Eighth
Eighth
Gana.
Gana.
Eighth Gana.
Eighth Gana. So, then what is that Tanvat now? I given a clue.
Yan something.
Shatrant.
Very good.
Okay.
Dhatu, it cannot be a Tadita Pratyaya. Therefore, Vatup is ruled out. Because the Tanoti, Tanutaha, Tanvanti, from Dhatu you are getting a Pradipadikam, it must be Krit Pratyaya only. So it is a Kridanta Pradipadikam. So if it is a Krit Pratyaya, then what it could be then? Eighth Gana being eighth Gana. Therefore, Tan plus that eighth Gana Pratyaya, Ukara comes Tanu, Tan plus U plus At. Shatri is At, right? Shatri content is what? At. Like Patat. Pat plus Shab plus Shatra. Pat plus Shab plus At. Patat. Similarly, Tan plus Ukara. U is the Gana Vikarana Pratyaya for eighth Gana. So Tan plus U will become Tanu. Tanu plus At will become Tanvat. That's what it is. At is Shatra. The content is At. So Tanvat. Similarly, Sunvat. What is Sunvat? Sunoti. Same. Sunutaha. Sunvanti. What is Chinvat? Chinoti. Chinutaha. Chinvanti. Right? Son? So, therefore, it is all these are Kridantas. Kridanta Pratipadikam. Sunvat, Tanvat, Rundhat, Krinat, Adat. What is Adat? Adadigana. Second Gana. Ad, Bhakshane, to eat. Brgat, Prishat. All these are Krit Anta Pratipadikam. Remember. So, Basvat is not Kridanta. Basvat is Vatu Pratyaya. It is not Kridanta. Okay. So, Gatavat is Thavatu Pratyaya. So therefore, it is all are Takaranta. So in Napumsakalinga, you can decline like Jagat Shabda. When you decline, it will get Numagama when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. That is why I asked what are these Tanvat and all. Tanvat is ninth Gana. Therefore, Numagama will come where? In Chatranta. In Chatranta, where the Numagama will come? When Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. Sunvat. Sunvat is also not ninth Gana, it is fifth Gana. Sunvat. So Numagama will come when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. Rundat. It is seventh Gana. Therefore, the Dhatu itself is Rund. So Rundan, Rundat, Rundati, Rundanti. Numagama will come when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. Krinat, which Gana? Ninth Gana, this is Krinat. This Tanvat is eighth Gana, okay. Tanvat is eighth Gana, Sunvat is fifth Gana, Rundat is seventh Gana, and Krinat is ninth Gana, All the ganas, different ganas it's giving. Krinat. So Krinat, Krinati, Krinanti. Adat is second gana. Okay. Whereas this for 1, 2 and 2, 2. Please refer. For sixth gana, we have two forms. For sixth gana, 1, 2 and 2, 2, which is not Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, we have two forms, with num, without num. That is also given, I think, here, an example. Here it is. Here you can see, this is, Dadat is Jugotyadi gana, third gana, where third gana, the seven dhatus of the second gana, remember that. There, when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, you have two forms, Dadat, Dadati, Dadati or Dadanti. We have seen this. Then for sixth gana you will see. So that we have got two forms, 1, 2 and 2, 2. So that Tudati, Tudanti, then when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, Tudanti. So this is for Napumsakalinga. Remember this. And for Pachat is, there are no two forms, only 1, 2 and 1, 3, 2, 2 and 2, 3 will get Pachat, Pachanti, Pachanti. Pachat, Pachanti, Pachanti. All these are Shatrantas. So anyway, here it is. Sunvata, Tanvata, all these are Shatranta. Ga, Tavat, that is Tavat. Understand? All these Shabdas we know. Please read
Yes, Shabji.
and revise Shatranta. Go to the previous class. If you don't remember, you need to remember this. Shatranta is very important. If you don't recall again, it will disappear. It will disappear from your memory. So you need to, whenever you get time, just go back and look at those rules, what we have seen. Then now you can see Napumsakalinge, what happens? Kartruvachyam, Kartruvache, Palam Patitavat. Palam Patitavat is Palam Apatat. Palam Patitavat, because Palam is Napumsakalinga, therefore Patitavat. Pale Patitavati. Patitavati is this 1, 2, not Strilinga, because Pale. Patitavanti, Bhagavachanam, Palani, Patitavanti. So like Jagat Shabda. So you can remember Jagat Shabda and decline Tavat Anta, Napumsakalinga, Pratipadikam. So let us understand this. Akarantaha, Napumsakalinga, Patitavat Shabda.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः पतितवत् शब्दः
Patitavat, Patitavati,
पतितवत्
Patitavat,
पतितवती पतितवन्ति
Patitavat, Patitavati, Patitavanti.
पतितवत् पतितवती पतितवन्ति.
Yes. Shesham Pummat from 30 number same as Patitavata, Patitavatyam like Pullinga. And then Sambodhana, He Patitavat, like in Pratamabhakti. Is it difficult? Can you all follow?
yes, Shabji.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ji.
But you need to recall the Shatranta and all, right? Sometimes.
Yeah.
This, that you have to bring in. That's why Shatranta, you please go back to the all the recordings. There is no specification of the topics. Which recording we don't know. You have to tell me what it is. Then that's you have to go and see. But again, make you recall what we have seen before. Should be available always. Should be at the surface of the mind. So this is important. The Shatranta is important. Okay, then how to form Kritantas? This we know. First, you have to identify the dhatu, whether the dhatu is set or anit or wait, because itagama comes. Why itagama? Because tavatu. Tavatu being dhatu pratyaya, it pratyaya, aladi. Therefore, itagama comes. That depends on the it vyavastha. So therefore, you can see the dhatu kosha and see whether dhatu is set or anit or wait. It Vyavastha is a big Vyavastha. We will see It Vyavastha without rules. Without rules, it's a bit difficult. Anyway, we'll try to do. So, Pat plus Tavatu, Itakama comes, you get Patitavatu. Okay, then once you get Patitavatu, you can decline. Now, this table, the different, the tables, the categories, classification of the dhatus based on the application of the rules. Dhatus are classified the same as what we have seen in ta pratyaya. So the same thing is repeated. We can read. We can just go through this quickly. You will read. If not all the dhatus, at least few dhatus. First category for dhatus taking it agama. That is the first category in ta pratyaya also. Same thing here. Read plus tavatu. Read plus tavatu. Then read is itagama. So you get read tavatu. And in the Pullinga, it is Kriditavan, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. In Srilinga, it is Kriditavati. And in Pumsakalinga, it is Kriditavat. Now you can read. Sometimes reading helps you to be familiar with the forms. That is why we are reading. So you can quickly read. Ramaji, starting from you. Lik Dhatu. Right.
Lik, Likhitavat, Linga is Likhitavan, then Likhitavati, Likhitavat. Architavat, so Architavan, Architavati, Architavat. Jeev, Jeevitavat, Jeevitavan, Jeevitavati, Jeevitavat. Patitavat, Patitavan, Patitavati, Patitavat. Then Kupitavat, so Kupitavan, Kupitavati, Kupitavat.
Next person.
As Patitavat, Patitavan, Patitavati, Patitavat, Rakshitavat, Rakshitavan, Rakshitavati, Rakshitavat, Yachitavat, Yachitavan, Yachitavati, Yachitavat, Avitavat, Avitavan, Avitavati, Avitavat, Ruditavat, Ruditavan, Ruditavati, Ruditavat.
Rudhatu, second gana, Roditi, Ruditaha, Rudanti. The form is Roditi, Ruditaha, Rudanti. Here being kit, therefore no guna happens. Therefore Ruditavat you get. Next person. Smriti.
Yes, Chair. Sikshitavat, Sikshitavan, Sikshitavati, Sikshitavat, Ganitavat, Ganitavan, Ganitavati, Ganitavat, Chintitavat, Chintitavan, Chintitavati, Chintitavat, Jalpitavat, Jalpitavan, Jalpitavati, Jalpitavat, Artitavat, Artitavan, Artitavati, Artitavat, Ikshitavan, I'm sorry, Ikshitavat, Ikshitavan, Ikshitavati, Ikshitavat.
Okay, then 10th gana you can see. 10th gana Gandhatu, Chintadatu. 10th gana. Okay, some other data will come. 10th gana.
Chint is 10th kana or 5th kana, Shaji?
It is 10th gana, Chiti.
10th, Chint. Okay.
Chiti is a dhatu. By that you get Numagama. Chint it becomes. In Chint, then plus Nich will become Chiti, then become Chintayati.
Chintayati, okay.
Similarly, Gan becomes. Gan doesn't, Gan also will happen. Becomes Ganayati, Tat becomes Katayati, Arth becomes Arthayati. Then kat, that's the next one. Next person. Who is the next person?
I am the next person.
Please leave.
Kat. Katitavat, katitavan, katitavati, katitavat. Grish, grish,
Grish dhatu.
grish. Grishitavat, grishitavan, grishitavati, grishitavat. Then grishitavat, grishitavan, grishitavati,
Oh,
grishitavat.
anyone
Groshitavat, groshitavan, groshitavati, groshitavat.
So here,
Two forms.
even guna, guru becomes go.
Grow.
Because I have seen the form, I have to check anyway. You can you can read now. You will see the validity of this form later. Guru becomes go. Maybe some specific rule is there for this. Yeah, please continue.
Jwal, jwalitavat, jwalitavan, jwalitavati, jwalitavat. Kamp, kampitavat, kampitavan, kampitavati, kampitavat. Mil, militavat, militavan, militavati, militavat. Chur, choritavat, choritavan, choritavati, choritavat.
This is what I want to say. Shur dhatu. Remember, 10th gana you will take niche. You do niche first. Add niche. And then add tavatu. You cannot add directly tavatu to the dhatu. Shur will take niche. Then chur will become chori.
Chori.
After chori, then you add tavatu pratyaya. Okay. Remember that.
Yes. Yes.
That same thing happened for gandhato, chiddhato, everywhere only. In fact, but you don't see that. Chint becomes chinti. This guna doesn't happen. Chint plus, therefore, tavatu. Here, chur also. Chur plus nich becomes chori. There only guna happens because of the nich pratyaya. Nich is ardhataka pratyaya. Therefore, it is not a kit also. Therefore, happens, guna happens. Chori. Then chori plus tavatu. Chori plus tavatu. Then chori tavat you get. Okay. Then that is how it is. Then chori plus tavatu, chori tavat, not chori tavat. That vyavastha we have to see. Chori, the new dhatu, plus tavatu pratyaya. You get chori tavat. So that is the rules is not scope here, out of scope. You have to see other pratyaya and other rules regarding that. So that will become a separate topic. Just be familiar with the forms. When we study the rules specifically, that time these rules will see. That will come under it vyavastha. This ittagama, how the form comes, where ittagama comes, where ittagama doesn't come. That we will see in it vyavastha. It vyavastha book is there by Samskrita Bharati. Based on that, we can see, we'll see sometime that it vyavastha. We'll see without getting into the sutra, we'll see. The next one, Kameshwari.
Nad, naditavat, naditavan, naditavati, naditavat. Nind, ninditavat, ninditavan, ninditavati, ninditavat. Pal, palitavat, palitavan, palitavati, palitavat.
Many dhatus are there for Rakshan. Rakshi is there, Pal is there, Abati is there. All. Okay. You can read, continue.
Okay. Krudanta ekavachanantam. Aham Geetam patitavan.
Patitavan.
Patitavan. Putraha
So who is the
patram.
person reading?
Huh?
Who is the person reading?
Aham.
Aham is, the sentence is it masculine or feminine or neuter?
Here it is Pullinga Shabda.
Yes,
Because Patitavan. If it is Patitavati, then it's Strilinga.
okay.
पुत्रः पुत्रं लिखितवान्
Patram.
पत्रम् oh god पुत्रः पत्रं लिखितवान् रमा पत्रं लिखितवान्
Wrong.
मा
It's wrong. Rama Patram Likitavan is
yeah लिखितवती yeah
at the spot the mistake also. Mistakes will be there.
yeah माता शिशुं रक्षितवती त्वं देवम् अर्चितवान् that means त्वं is pullinga
Yes.
कः पाठं पठितवान् पुल्लिङ्ग चोरः आभूषणं चोरितवान् सः शाखां पातितवान्
This Patitavan.
पति patati from that
Yes. Patadatu. Pat means
falling
Patitavan is causing to fall. It means cutting.
okay
Positive form of Patadatu. Pat will become Pati and Patitavan.
okay
That means it cuts the branch. Vrikshasya Shakam Patitavan. He makes the shaka, the branch of the tree, to fall. It means it's cutting. Kartitavan ityartha. Okay. Next person, Ramaji.
बालकाः दुग्धं पीतवान् सा असत्यं भाषितवती सैनिकाः देशं रक्षितवान् रक्षितवन्तः should be
Yes, it must be. Yes. Yes.
then भिक्षुः दानं याचितवान् छात्रा वेदं शिक्षितवती सः व्याघ्रम् ईक्षितवान् shall I continue Sharanji?
Ikshitavan. Another use drish dhatu.
Drish வந்து திருஷ்டவான்
Huh?
oh sorry
What is it?
I thought Drishtavan.
Drishtavan only. Yes. Right. How do you get Drishtavan?
Drish.
Drish dhatu.
Tapratyaya it is Drishta. Drishtaha.
So dhatu is drish dhatu. Drish plus dhatu pratyaya. So what will happen? Drish with shakara. So you go to the sandhya.
Mudanya Shakara.
It becomes yes, more than shakara. The sandhya just now we saw up to the rule 8 to 836 something. Then it's 836, 835, then 836. Here says dhatu ending with shakara at the end of the padam or followed by jal will be replaced by mudanya shakara. So that rule, sandhya is there. So this shakara will be replaced by mudanya plus
Then Shtutvam. Shtutvam happens. Drishtavan.
Drishtavat. So Drishtavat becomes Drishtavan, Drishtavanto, Drishtavantaha. Srilinga Drishtavati, Drishtavatyo, Drishtavatyaha. So therefore, Ikshitavan or Drishtavan. Continue.
Sharanji, on this number 9, Balakaha Dugdam Pitavantah. Should it not be Pitavantah?
Pitavantaha.
Yes. Balakaha Dugdam Pitavantaha. Yes. Yes. Or Balakaha Pitavan, Balakaha Pitavantaha. Yes. Good. Okay. Continue.
शिशुः नक्षत्रं गणितवान् सः कथां कथितवान् सः मित्रं मिलितवान् सूर्येण चन्द्रः ज्वलितवान्
Yes. Vivachanam. Next question, Chief. Please read. Find out the mistakes. Please find out the mistakes if any there. Mistakes may be there. Yeah.
आवां कथां पठितवन्तौ फले
Yeah. Patitavati only.
फले पतितवती
Yes.
ओ या फले पतितवती या अहं कविते लिखितवान् विघ्नेशः लेखे ग्रन्थितौ
Grantitavan only, because Vigneshah only. You have to see only the karta.
कर्ता is विघ्नेशः. Okay. लेखे
Karma doesn't
ग्रन्थितवान्.
matter. Karma is kavite is dvivachanam. Here lekhe is dvivachanam. That doesn't matter. That can be any vachanam. See karta only, then it is fine. Yeah.
रमा गद्ये ग्रथितवती. आरक्षौ चोरौ ताडितवन्तौ. राजानः चोरान् दण्डितवन्तः. शिक्षिकाः बालकान् पीडितवत्यः.
Shrilinga.
भक्ताः देवौ. Sorry ji?
No, I said Shikshikaha Srilinga, I said. Piditavyah.
भक्ताः देवौ पूजितवन्तः. रमा बालिके मिलितवती.
Okay, next person. Smati ji.
ते उष्टौ वीक्षितवन्तः. पिता रूप्यकौ गणितवान्. रमणः कथे रचितवान्. अमात्यः राजानं द्वेषितवन्तः.
It's correct.
No, अमात्यः is so it should be द्वेषितवान् only.
Dveshitavan. Amatyaha is ministers, right?
Ministers, yeah.
So minister Amatyaha Dveshitavan it must be.
Then taha आभूषणं वञ्चितवत्यः.
Vanchita. Desire.
वाञ्छितवत्यः. Okay, desire. Correct. That is okay. It's a bahuvachanam only.
Yes.
So it's a Srilinga. Then riksha palani patitavanti. Rikshat
Yes.
palani
Karta.
karta. Yeah.
Like subject.
Then it's a bahuvachanam for Napunsakalinga. Then upasakaha mantram japitavantah. So this is Pullinga. Okay. Te chalana chitre lochitavatyau. Te chalana lochitavatyau. Okay. This is Srilinga.
Dvivachanam.
DH. Yeah.
Lochitavatyau. If it is Drishtavati, Drishtavatyau, Ikshitavatyau. Any topic. Continue.
Then vayam gitaha patitavantah. Then Vyasaha Puranani likitavan. Okay. Rama dhanani ganitavati. Kalidasaha kavitaha rachitavan. Aham mantrani japitavan. Okay. Kaha pathaha patitavan. Then choraha abhushanani choritavantah. Okay. Krishnau varthau. I'm sorry, varthaha suchitavantau. Then sishyaha upanishadaha sikshitavantah. Then sa anirudhani Andritani bhashitavati.
See?
Okay, it's Srilinga. Yeah.
I think you all understand the meaning. Meanings are simple, right?
Andritani is
False, lie. She's lying. She told.
okay. Okay. She's taken. Okay, she told us.
Next person. Other meanings, other sentences, I hope.
Yeah. Yes, Shanji.
Ganesh.
aham mantrani militavan.
Mitrani.
Mitrani. Sorry. Aham mitrani militavan. Mata devam architavati. Nakshatrani cha ज्वलितवन्ति. तौ समस्याः सूचितवन्तौ.
What is Pullinga? Sagatau. No. Dhatu is taking no itagama. Shubdhatu becomes Shubtavat, Shubtavan. Ganesh, you can read.
Ship, Shiptavat, Shiptavan, Shiptavati, Shiptavat. Gras, Grastavat, Grastavan, Grastavati, Grastavat. Nrit, Nrittavat, Nrittavan, Nrittavati, Nrittavat. As, Astavat, Astavan, Astavati, Astavat.
Here, Astavat assist to throw. Fourth gana. Right?
Yes.
If it is first, this Budhatu first gana, sorry. If it is Asdhatu, it is second gana, then what will be the form then?
As,
The form will become, you have seen before,
to become, or Bhavat.
becomes, as will be, Asdhatu to be, Asti Stava Santi, but Asdhatu plus Tavatu Pratyaya. Form will be, As will be replaced by Bhu, remember. So Bhutavat, Bhutavan, Bhutavantau, Bhutavantah. Bhavati, Bhudhatu also Bhutavat, Bhutavan, Bhutavantau, Bhutavantaha. Asdhatu also having the same form only. As will be replaced by Bhu. Bhu is the Adesha there, in the place of As. As will be replaced by Bhu, and therefore you get Bhutavan, Bhutavantau, Bhutavantaha. If it is Astavat, here it is to throw. Fourth gana, Asyati. Okay.
Yes. It will become Bhutavan.
Yes, you can note that. Asdhatu will become Bhutavan.
Bhutavan, Bhutavati.
Adhaka Pratyaya
Bhutavati.
follows. As will be replaced by Bhu. Aster Bhuhu. Sutra is there. Similarly, there are some dhatus like that. Chakshin will be replaced by Kya. But this is important, Asdhatu, which we use frequently. Okay, please continue.
Deep, Deeptavat, Deeptavan, Deeptavati, Deeptavat. Gup, Guptavat, Guptavan, Guptavati, Guptavat. Tap, Taptavat, Taptavan, Taptavati, Taptavat. Lup, Luptavat, Luptavan, Luptavati, Luptavat.
From lup only we get the word lopaha. The word lopaha from lup. It is that's all. Lopaha is also kradanta. You can complete this also. Last.
Pra plus ap. Praptavat, Praptavan, Praptavati, Praptavat. Shak, Shaktavat, Shaktavan, Shaktavati, Shaktavat. Shap, Shaptavat, Shaptavan, Shaptavati, Shaptavat. Krit, Kritavan, Krittavan, Krittavati, Krittavat.
Dhatu is Kruti Dhatu. Krintati, Krintataha, Krintanti. To cut. I think that Nakara goes away, I think. I have to check that. It is Kritavat or Krintavat. Let me check that. Okay, please remind me.
So it's not Kritavat, it's Krittavat.
Yeah, Kritavat. Because Krita already, the Dhatu is Krita.
Plus Tavat.
The Dhatu is Kruti Dhatu. It gets Numagama, not because of this Iditoho. Krintati, Krintataha, Krintati.
Krintati is there. Krintati.
Yeah,
Numagama happens there.
Yeah, Numagama comes not because of Viditoho, because the Dhatu is Kriti Dhatu, Ikara. E is the Ith letter. So, therefore, not because of that. And in the Tavatu Pratyaya, I think Numagama goes away. I had to check that. Okay. Anyway, let me check that and tell you this. Please remind me, I'll forget this. It is Krintavan or Krittavan. Check that. I'll find out. Okay, please continue.
वृत् वृत्तवत् वृत्तवान् वृत्तवती वृत्तवत्.
Vrit also means to be the same meaning of bhu only. Bhu as vartate, vartete, vartante. That becomes vrittavan. Bhutavan or vrittavan. Same meaning.
अस्तु.
Okay, then the next one. Next person, Kameshwari.
Yeah. अधोदत्तानां वाक्यानां विचारम् अनुवादनं च कुर्वन्तु. बालकः कन्दुकं क्षिप्तवान्. Boy is throwing the ball. No,
Throws the
past tense.
He threw the ball.
No, he threw the ball.
What will be the long form? Vicharam kurvantu.
Akshipt.
Not akshipt. Why?
No, lung form. No,
Long form only.
Chip dhatu. So, akship.
Akshipat.
Akshipat. Okay.
Don't forget.
Yeah, shipati, chipat. Correct. Akshipat.
Ship plus the Gana Vikrana, sorry, this Gana Vikrana comes, the Pratyaya is Takara. Ship plus Takara.
Takara.
Comes.
Akshipat.
Gana Vikrana is, which Gana is that?
Akshipat. Chip dhatu.
Sixth Gana. If it is sixth Gana, it must be sixth Gana.
Okay. Then Sha, Gana Vikarana is Sha, Akara will come. So Chippa. Okay. Chip becomes Chippa, Chipat. Okay. Got it. Meghaha Akasham Vyaptavan. The sky is covered by, no, past tense. And the sky was covered. No, sky. Clouds cover the sky. Yeah, covered the sky.
Kartari Priyabha. Therefore,
yeah.
Is Meghaha. Megha does the. Yeah, there's a mistake in that. You have to see that mistake.
Vyaptavantaha.
Vyaptavantaha. So it must be Vyaptavantaha. So Meghaha Vyaptavantaha Akasham. Clouds cover the Akasha, the sky. Okay, continue.
Then Saha Karyam Kartum Shaktavan.
Vyaptavantaha, what will be the lung form?
Lung form will be Vyaptatu
Dhatu is not Dhatu is not Dhatu.
Yeah.
Dhatu is only Aap.
Yeah.
Aap is a Dhatu.
So Aap
Dhatu with the
Aapat.
No, listen. Aap Dhatu. Aap means to pervade. Aap means to gain. With V upasarga, it means in the sense of pervasion. V plus Aap. Now in Lang Lakara, what will be the form? How will you? V plus
Aap only. Vyap.
Lung form.
Vyapat. Lung, yeah. That is Avya. No, V is upasarga, then we will add R to after V only. So
Yeah, that's it. That's not
so A plus A, same A only.
same. Yes, that's what. V plus Atagama to Aap Dhatu. A plus
Yeah.
Orlapna A plus A.
A only. A.
Vriddhi only. Attached.
Yeah.
That is you've seen that. So V plus Aap. Aap will get Atagama. Then this is which Gana? Apnoti.
Ninth Gana.
Apnoti.
Fifth Gana. No 5.
So apno, then pratyaya is Lang Pratyaya Pratama Dakti. Sorry, Pratama Pursha Ekavachana.
Takara.
Then what the form?
So vyapnot.
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 Miss
Huh?
Bhagavachan.
Pardon?
Vyapnantah.
Anta. So what vyapnont, vyapnont, anta, so vyapnoti, vyapno,
What's the form?
Chinvanta. So vyapnant, vyapnantah. Wo will vyapnantah or
Vyapnuvan.
vyapnuvan? Okay.
That we have to see. Anyway, the Shnu will be replaced by Uva, Vang, Vyapnuvan. So Meghaha, Akasham,
Vyapnuvan.
Vyapnutam, Vyapnuvan will be.
Okay.
Continue.
सः कार्यं कर्तुं शक्तवान्. He was capable of doing this work. Shaktavan. So ashakta.
Shakdatu.
That's also fifth gana. So shaknuvat. Ashaknuvat.
Ashakno. Ashakno. Okay.
Ashak. I don't hear you properly. Ashaknu vat or
Yeah. No. Ashakno, they said.
Ashaknot. Okay. Ashaknot.
Remember.
Okay. I didn't.
Is my voice clear? Is it breaking or what?
Little bit is there.
No, is it breaking?
Then
Is it the voice breaking? Please confirm, all of you.
Just now, like maybe
Now it's okay,
now only.
Shanji, but sometimes it is not.
No, from the very beginning, I'm asking. Is it?
No.
That's okay. That was okay.
we are able to follow.
I'm not able to follow, but the voice should be clear because I changed. Oh, I forgot to switch on this. I don't know how the recording will be. Anyway, recording thing. I think the computer will, from the external speaker, I think it will pick up or this. Okay. Anyway, you have to listen. See the recording. Obviously, I don't know because I forgot to switch on the battery here. Okay, Shakdatu, Shak plus Shnu plus Tip, the Takara will come, not Tip, Takara. So you get then Shak plus Nu. Then you get Shak.
Shaknot.
Shaknot. No, it doesn't become Shak. Yeah, it becomes Shaknot. Sorry, I'm thinking something else. Yeah.
Ashaknot. Huh?
Yeah, it becomes Shaknot, Ashaknot. That is a Shak plus Nu plus that the pratyaya which follows is a Tip pratyaya. That Shaknoti you get that happens.
Shaknot. Ashaknot.
Ashaknot. Yeah, anyway. Now my mind is not functioning. I will leave it. Sometimes it goes blank,
Yeah. It happens for us many times.
Anyway, because my mind is in the battery now. Why I forgot to switch on the battery? It should have been switched on. Change the cord. Anyway, okay, please continue.
Yeah, now it's very clear.
Yeah, because I forgot to switch on this. So I don't know how the recording will be, the whole class. Please complete this. We'll quickly do this.
Okay. Simhaha mamsam grastavan. And the lion ate the meat. Grastavan,
It's okay.
Okay. Sevakaha na bhojanam kritavan. The servant didn't eat the food. Vanaraha shilan astavantaha. Monkey asdatu, so through the stone. So Vanaraha
Come on, that is simple mistake, you can correct it.
Astava. Astava, okay. Vishwamitraha Menakam Shaptavan. Vishwamitra Shaptavan means I don't know. Shab. So cursed Menaka. Aham Rahasyam Guptavan. I and the
Group is
secret. I conceal. No.
concealed.
What concealed the secret. Then Ramaha Shantim Luptavan. Ramaha took away.
Look,
Huh?
last piece.
Huh?
Last piece of mind. Lost. Look.
Okay. Ramaha lost his peace of mind. Okay. Agnihi Kutiram Taptavan. Fire burnt
Last or he took away. Rama took away the Shanti.
Shanti.
That is the meaning. Okay. Luptavan is, that's the
Yeah,
meaning.
took away. Yeah, take away we have taken. Agnihi Kutiram Taptavan. Fire burnt the hut. Gauri Deepam Deeptavati. Gauri lit the lamp. Vyasaha Geetam Kritavan. Vyasa did wrote Gita. How to say? Wrote.
Gita Kritavan means he did, Krita means he wrote. Gita. Okay. From C we will see the next class. Okay. I don't know how the recording will be. Let us see. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad ji.
धन्यवादः
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶಂಚ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶಂಕರ್.
Numagama should not come there for Kriti.
Huh?
For Kriti. 7159. It's only after Sha Pratyaya.
Only after?
Sha 7159 She Muchadinam. So Sha Pratyaya Pare Numagama Bhavati. 7159.
Okay.
The Numag
For
happens only after.
Kriti comes there. Okay.
Yeah, it comes there.
She Muchadi
Only after,
Bhavati. Okay.
so only after Sha Pratyaya Pare Numagama Bhavati. So there it's.
Okay, that's why it doesn't come. Yes. So Kriti is there. Oh yeah, Kriti is there.
Yeah, it is there. There are eight dhatus in the Tudadigana. 8 dhatus in the Tudadigana, Muchadigana.